This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tesla Cybertruck in rocket racing. Start by inspecting mounting points and isolating battery systems before any work. Focus on weight distribution and thermal shielding to protect electronics and occupants. Coordinate with race officials on fuel type and launch sequence and rehearse emergency cutoffs. Always prioritize crew safety and legal compliance, and keep communication gear tested and ready throughout build and testing stages. Plan modifications should start with a structural assessment and load map to avoid surprises. Use lightweight reinforced materials to minimize added mass while increasing strength. Move battery packs low and central to improve center of gravity and handling under thrust. Seal wiring and heat-resistant conduits and add redundant kill switches. Keep documentation for every change and test subsystems incrementally before an integrated hot fire trial. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for downtime between builds and long race waits, with crisp text and long battery life. It's light to carry to the paddock and perfect for study or stories when you relax. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Operational readiness depends on repetitive, measured testing and clear roles for the team. Conduct controlled static firings to confirm thrust alignment and structural response. Train drivers and crew on throttle control, abort triggers, and evacuation paths until responses are second nature. Use live telemetry to watch temperatures and fuel flow and stop immediately on anomalies. Post-test inspections should follow every run to catch early wear or hidden damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.